Hey everyone, how's it going? Today it's going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm going to be showing you how to mount a Holosun 407K on the Hellcat Pro. So this is the Holosun right here. I already took it out the packaging, so I got it on here on this side. And then here's the Hellcat Pro. We are empty right now. Nothing in it for you to check in. So for the first thing that we're going to do is make sure we have everything. We have the Loctite. I had already put it on the screws, so I don't have to take care of it. We have the optic. These are the screws that came with the optic. I'm just going to be using the same ones. And for the Hellcat, we're going to need a adapter plate. So the one that I went with is the C&H adapter plate. It comes with screws, but we're not going to use those today. So the first thing to get started is I'm going to go ahead and take off the slide on the Hellcat. And to do that, all you have to do is pull the slide back, flip this back up, and then we're going to go ahead and take the spring out. So we're going to set those aside. So now we're going to work on taking off the screws on there. So before I started recording this video, I had trouble taking off the screws. So I would be careful with that. What I did was I had to heat it up a little bit to remove the Loctite. I didn't have a large torch, so I used a small lighter. It took me a little bit longer, but I got it out. So in order to remove these screws, we need a T10 Torx bit. And we're going to go ahead and start removing them. So now that we have this off, we're just going to go put it to the side. And it's a good thing to always clean it. So I just have a microfiber towel just on the side that I'm going to use, just because there was a little bit of residue beforehand. Okay, so now that I got it off, we're going to go ahead and get our adapter plate. So I went with the C&H one because they have a lot of good products and I like using them. So we're going to go ahead and just dry fit it on there. Make sure there's no wiggle room. Put the optic, and we're just going to seat these in a little bit. Just make sure that everything's working properly. So far everything looks good on it. I don't have any trouble with it at all. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just tighten it a little bit more. And usually you would put Loctite on it. I already had put Loctite on it before starting the video, so I'll be good, but I would put a little bit at the end of the screws. So next thing to do is going to be to use a torque it down. I'm putting it to about 15 inch-pounds. And you want to wait for that click sound. Once you got that click sound, you know it's already in there, right? But yeah, there's not too much work as far as, you know, getting the mounting back on. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together now. Check for clear again, nothing in there. And yeah, we got the Holosun 407K mounted on there. And all we gotta do now is just to get it sighted in. Once it's zeroed in, we'll be all set. But yeah, have a good one, you guys. Just wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to put it on the Hellcat Pro.